Good morning, guys. So today is Christmas. It's Christmas Day, December 25th, and I just woke up. It's 10:15. Today's gonna be a little bit weird. Our Christmas is a little bit weird this year because of COVID. So basically, my sister and my mom are both working this morning, but they will be home by 11:30. So we're doing like a brunch kind of thing, and then we're gonna do presents after that, and then just like a nice Christmas dinner, just the four of us. But because my mom and sister are working this morning, it's up to me and my dad to make the Christmas brunch. So we have a fun little menu. It's like, actually I'll tell you guys later, but I need to go downstairs and start helping because it's 10:15 and he said I needed to be awake by 10. So let's go. Good morning, Pepper. Also, obviously I had to put on the Christmas pajamas I wear once a year from Target, of course. Merry Christmas. Okay, the first thing we need to do is set the table, but me and my dad don't know where any of the table setting stuff is, so we're gonna go on an adventure and look for it. Christmas plate. Is that what you were thinking?
No, but oh yeah, here, wait. Deer and snowflakes.
You can do snowflakes.
Let me show you what I made. I made the dessert already. Hopefully they're setting up in here.
What is it?
It is vegan. What is it?
Vegan chocolate
mousse. Yes, and it's made with aquafaba.
What's that?
So that's the juice from chickpeas.
Oh, interesting.
Who knew that it firmed up like egg whites?
whites?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Oh.
Totally.
Huh.
So it's just a half cup of maple syrup, a little vanilla extract, vegan chocolate.
That looks good.
That's it.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's snowing. You can actually like barely see it, but snow. It's snowing. Yay. So on the menu we have a vegan kale Caesar salad, a bunch of fruit, and we're making some zucchini waffles. This is what they look like. And we are almost ready.
Hey, nice little hat.
We're going to open presents.
Wait, come up here and grab
She's
stuff.
not having it. This is for the brand. It's a necklace. She's like, what the heck? Peanut. You can also wear it in Hawaii. Open mine. I thought you would like this because I use mine all the time and you always tell me that you like it.
Is it that? It's that thing that
It's the
it's like
blow dryer brush.
there. Keep that on both sides. Aww, so cute. Thank you.
There were a lot of options and we didn't know which one you would like. But
I think it's good.
that one's like a classic, I feel like, but like a little different.
I think it's perfect. Don't you think?
Yeah. Yay!
Good choice.
Look,
Well,
you
I know-
didn't get a robe.
Huh?
You didn't get a robe.
Did you get what?
A robe.
I did get a robe. Thank you, Ella.
Okay guys, so now that we've finished opening presents, I didn't want to film too much of it because honestly it's just a little awkward, but I do want to show you guys a little bit of what I got. So first things first, I got this sweater, super cute little turtleneck. It's not cropped, but like it's not very full length, and then these sleeves are so cool, kind of like bubble sleeves, kind of different. It's like a nice, very simple turtleneck, I think, that'll like go with everything, but also different too. My running shoes are like falling apart, so I asked for these sneakers. I will link them down below. They are Nike and they are specifically running shoes, but like they're super cute. And obviously I love pink, so there's a little bit of pink on it, but like I feel like it's still pretty neutral too. Not that it really matters if they're just running shoes, but I feel like they're really nice. I also got this cute little PJ set. This is from Loft. It's actually so soft, so it's just like this pink cheetah print long sleeve top, and then it comes with these cute little shorts. Also got a bunch of these running socks. These are the brand Bombas. I feel like socks are like the cliche Christmas gift no one wants. However, I love socks. I literally wear socks all the time, and running socks specifically are great because these ones have like a little blister protection. Got some scrunchies. I also got these exfoliating sugar scrubs. My mom got my roommates these too and they love them. They all have like Christmassy scents, so there's champagne toast, gingerbread cookie, hot butter rum. I also got this very simple black tank top, this fun little baseball cap, which it's like a distressed black style, and then the patch on this is actually like vintage Louis Vuitton. Kind of fun, a little different. And then I got 2 sweatshirts. I love sweatshirts, live in sweatshirts. These are both from the Mayfair group, and this first one is this like pinky beige-ish color that says Self-Love Club members only, embroidered right here. And then this one is a very unique little periwinkle blue color. It says empathy on it. This one's a little bit lighter than the other one, and both of these are long enough that I don't have to wear pants, so love that. Oh, also guys, I totally forgot, I got a bunch of jewelry. So this bottom ring here is new. This little thumb ring is new. This ring is new, is from Revolve, and oh, this is from Adina. I don't know where this one is from. And then this little chain heart bracelet is from Adina Jewelry as well. Guys, now I don't know what to do because it's like almost 3 now, and my family, we don't really do anything in between like opening presents and then Christmas dinner, so I'm bored. I think my mom's napping, but I'm hungry. Even though we had brunch, I still want some more food. I don't know where anyone is. Okay, we're doing gluten-free pretzels and mustard. Okay, so the lighting in my room actually sucks, and my makeup mirror no longer lights up, so I've been doing this really ratchet thing where because I'm too lazy to bring my makeup in the bathroom, I just turn on my phone flashlight and I just set it right in front of my mirror, and it's basically like I have a makeup mirror now. I literally could just change the batteries in this, but I don't feel like doing that. Anyway, it's like 5 now, so I'm gonna get ready. I did my hair, got dressed, but I need to do my makeup still. I haven't done like a makeup routine in a bit, so if you're interested in that, I will talk through some of my products. If not, you can skip through. I use the Maybelline Master Primer. I feel like it's very similar to the Smashbox one, which I used to use, but it's very expensive. So I've switched to the Maybelline one. Then I go in with the IT Cosmetics CC cream, the best CC cream ever. Super light, but like still pretty good coverage. And I don't really wear foundation normally, but I feel like this gives like a good dewy look. Like it's very light looking. God, I'm getting so pale. This is already looking a little bit too dark. Okay, next up I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I feel like this is gonna be really light on me. Like the foundation I use is like my dark foundation, like my tan foundation, and the concealer I use is definitely for my paler shade. So, okay, next I'm setting with the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Powder. For blush, I use the NARS Orgasm blush. It's like a shimmery, peachy gold blush. Put a little bit on my nose too. Okay, and this is a real OG here, the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I feel like everyone used this back in the day. I still use it. I feel like it's really good. I guess I don't even look at it. I can't really tell with this lighting. It's a little funny. Anyway, for highlighter, I just go in with this Urban Decay palette that I've literally had forever, and I use like the light highlighter one. For eyebrows, also a big OG, the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Love this. Okay, for eyeshadow, I literally use this ColourPop Give It To Me Straight palette for everything. It's like a warm-toned, glittery brown palette. Pretty neutral, I would say. I also really like doing a kind of eyeliner with a dark brown eyeshadow. And then, guys, I swear by this mascara. It's the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious mascara. I get the waterproof one. I actually feel like I might switch because I'm having trouble getting it off at night. But it's so good and it's so cheap. And finally, I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss in, what is this called? Champagne Mommy. It's also like $6. Great lip gloss, not sticky at all, and it looks really nice. Okay, that is the full makeup. This is like pretty much what I do whenever I have like a nicer occasion, just like not every day, the go-to nice makeup. Okay, Anyway, let me show you guys my outfit. Right here it is. This dress is from Reformation. Got some black tights on, and these boots are from Steve Madden. I wear them all the time. They're really great. They're like chunky, but still got a heel. Kind of fun. So yeah, this is my Christmas outfit. Even though it's just the 4 of us this year, we're still like dressing up, having a nice dinner. Like it's still gonna be like a normal-ish Christmas dinner, just less people. Still trying to make it seem Christmassy. It definitely doesn't really feel like Christmas, but it's still something, you know. Are you wearing a new shirt?
I'll wear my new shirt. It's got a few new wrinkles in it.
It's pink. Is that for Facebook?
Look how pretty. Okay. Okay. So this is our first course, then we'll have a vegetable course, then we have dessert.
A vegetable course.
Because we need vegetables. Come on.
Okay, it's a lot of protein.
2 kinds of smoked salmon. We have Alaskan and Scottish. And then I said 2 kinds of caviar. The Alaskan is the darker. This is Scottish is the lighter.
Lots of oysters.
You can take one of your own if you want.
This is our giant Jenga. Uh-oh.
Start off rough.
I feel like I have to go for this one.
Yeah, that one's an easy one.
Tina, if you knock it over.
We might have to call the vet.
She's gonna
You're
say.
getting very close.
Excuse you.
Give the woodpecker a break.
Tina,
You're gonna get hurt.
if this fell on you, you'd be so crushed.
It almost worked.
Does it really ever work?
Tina, that couldn't be you, babe. Okay guys, so that is gonna be it for today's vlog. It's about 10 p.m. now. We all just kind of hung out for a bit. Very chill Christmas. Now we're all going to bed, or I'm not gonna go to bed, but the rest of the family's going to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I have some things coming up I might be vlogging, so get ready for that if you do like vlogs. If not, let me know what else you want to see. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Ella_Elbells, so be sure to follow me both of those. And I post new videos every single Saturday, so go ahead and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!